This is a video how to replace the battery from the anti-snore wearable. To open the device, put your nail in where the little hole is. You go around the corner and then it opens. To take out the battery, just put your nail under the battery and now it's out. Please understand the plus, so should be up, not down. If you're going to buy a new battery, also the plus should be on the upper side. To replace the battery, the blue light should go on when you place it. The blue light is on. If that's not the case, then something happened to your unit and we'll send you a new one. Press it that it sticks and put back with this little hook on the upper left. Press it. Now the wearable is on. Press 5 seconds to turn it off. It will vibrate. One more beep. Now it's off. You're good. You replaced the battery. Thank you.